before the chorale sing their finale song, we would like to call on Mr. Dorvin Pangma to go up on stage and Jeremiah Letluanya. Sir, please go up on stage and
Kasama ka sa kantahan.
Good evening. This part is not on the program, but we the alumni prepared a plaque of appreciation. But because of the hassle time, I don't know where the plaque is. But on behalf of the choir, allow me to share with you, though I'm representing the plaque of appreciation, Mr. Gordon. The plaque of appreciation is presented to Mr. Darvin Camba, honoring his unwavering years of service, commitment, and dedication, serving as Northern Luzon Adventist College Choral conductor since 2014. Given this day of May, the plaque symbolizes our sincere gratitude and acknowledges the divine work you have carried out through your ministry. So we, the College Choral, we the alumni, would like to say thank you, sir, for being our father, for being our mentor. Siguro sabihin na natin ang laki po ng changes nung batches ng choir, but indeed, God is faithful.
We Shall Behold Him is a popular Christian worship song focused on the anticipation of seeing God. It uses a vivid imagery of the heavens opening up, a triumphant return, and the believer's transformation. It comes with the overall feeling of awe, reverence, and joyful expectation. Once again, the Emna Chorale with their finale song, We Shall Behold Him.
When the skies shine unfold, preparing distant grass, the stars will applaud. Lord.